What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Free channel. As promised, I'm back with a final video of the final setup that we have with Jeff's bike, the final build, all the upgrades that we did to it, the lights we put on it. We got the camera system, the front and rear camera, the tail Eliminator, the TST Eliminator with it, the Leo Vince pipes. We're going to show you all of it. We're going to show you what we did, how we did it. Well, you can watch the video on how we did it, but we're going to show you everything just in a glance. A couple of viewers pointed out that I didn't do like kind of a final video of how everything looked and all the you know, the integrated tail lights and everything. So this is it, folks. With no further ado, let's get at it. All right, so one of the upgrades that we did was the TST Plate Relocator that was here, and that also gives you a plate that takes away the hole that was left once you take the big honking you know, thing off of there. And as you can see, this is the K5, the INNOVV K5 4K dash cam, actually, for motorcycle dash cam. It's in the front and the rear. And of course, we got the light kit, the LED light kit. We're going to show you that in a minute, but we're going to give you the tail lights so you can see with the integrated tail lights with the turn signals and everything. Probably going to see some flashing with it, but it is a steady beam. So that's the left and then the right, and then give them the four ways, which is really cool. Yeah, so you have all the functioning there. And then also, so what we have with the light system, the LED system, what comes along with it is a safety feature of your braking light. So it has a feature, as you just see, it went red. It's steady blue, but once you hit the brake, it flashes and goes red along with your tail light. I believe the integrated tail light had a little flash to it anyways, but yeah, every time you hit a brake, the whole bike goes red. So a little bit of safety. So along with the INNOVV 5K dash cam, of course, it has the front as well as the back, and this is the front one that we have mounted right underneath. Right now, you're seeing just a little peaks right now, but you can adjust this. We got the Velcro pads on there, so I believe Jeff said he's going to push it a little bit forward just so you're not even seeing those peaks and just getting a clear view of the front. So of course, another upgrade that we did was the exhaust, the Leo Vince, the shorty blacked out, the carbon fiber, which matches perfect with the bike, and even the piping that comes with it. It's a little bit dirty now, but a little mud from the rain, but it matches really, really well with the rest of the bike and looks really great. Another cool thing about this bike is it has a built-in power adapter that came with it that comes out. So now all you have to do is plug in, you know, the adapter here to a phone or any kind of charger or any kind of helmet charger, camera, anything, and stay powered up. This is one of the contributing reasons to us killing batteries. All right, guys, so of course we showed you all the upgrades. Now it's time to do the sound check so you can hear what it sounds like with the Leo Vince without the DB killer in. Full blast, so let's give them a sound check.